Hey everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curls by the Dozen. Today I will be showing you how to make your curls pop with the new Mielle Organics Type 3 Sleigh Bundle. The Type 3 Sleigh Bundle includes the White Peony Leave-In Conditioner, the Rosemary Mint Edge Gel, the Brazilian Curl Mousse, the Moisture RX Styling Gel, and the Moisture RX Hair Butter. Let's jump right into styling. I started off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I decided to do my favorite style, the wash and go. I applied the White Peony Leave-In Conditioner in sections throughout my hair. I made sure to apply a generous amount of product to my ends, being that is the oldest part of the hair. Once I was done applying the White Peony Leave-In Conditioner, I began to apply the Moisture RX Styling Gel, followed by the Brazilian Curl Mousse. After raking the products through my hair with my fingers, I began to separate my curls and twirl them around my finger for maximum definition. I decided I wanted a side part and parted my hair before applying more product to the front of my hair. Next, I brushed down the front part of my hair and pinned it back with bobby pins. Last but not least, I let my hair air dry and I smoothed down my edges using the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. I decided I wanted a side part and parted my hair before applying more product to the front of my hair, and it was curated for my hair type. Let me know what you think about my results down below, and be sure to head over to www.mielleorganics.com to purchase the bundle that is perfect for you. See you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.